Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well today. In this video we're going to be learning how to play Once Upon a December from Anastasia. The chords that we're going to need for this song are B minor, F sharp, B7, E, E minor, and C sharp 7. A quick little note about F sharp, you can play this chord with just barring the bottom 3 strings and leaving out the top one, but I personally find it easier to bar the entire first fret in this song so that it's easier to switch between that barred chord and the other barred chords that are in this song. We are going to be using fingerpicking to play this song, so when I'm talking about my fingers in fingerpicking, I will be calling my thumb just my thumb, my pointer finger 1, my middle finger 2, and my ring finger will be 3. And we're going to be positioning our fingers with my thumb on the top string, 1 on the second from the top, 2 on the third from the top, and 3 on the bottom string. We have 2 options for our finger picking. We have an easier version and we have a hard version. So I'm just going to be playing on a B minor to demonstrate because it's our first chord in the song. The easier version, we're just going to pluck thumb, 1, 2 on repeat. Thumb, 1, 2, thumb, 1, 2, thumb, 1, 2, thumb, 1, 2. That's pretty simple, really good if you're a beginner to fingerpicking or if you really want to focus more on the vocal performance or anything else. For the version that's a little bit harder, we're actually going to add a ring finger, or 3, in between each one of those notes. So it'll be thumb, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, thumb, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, thumb, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. The tricky thing that's about this is that when we're going at tempo, you're actually going to be going like twice as fast as the other version with your fingers. So it goes like this. So pick or choose whichever one of those works for you. Both are totally fair. Live your dream. I'm going to be playing the easier version throughout just because I think more people will be doing that version, but I don't know, you tell me in the comments, which one are you doing? It helps, it does actually help, so I know what to do next time. Okay, so before we start the first verse, we're actually going to play a little bit of an intro. It's going to go B minor, F sharp, B minor, F sharp, and then we go into the first verse. So let's just try that little intro with our finger picking. It'll be a good tutorial for how to do the finger picking. Ready? And go. B minor, F sharp, B minor, F sharp. Sweet! Now we can start the first verse. Our first line, the chord progression is going to be B minor, F sharp, B7, and E. So let's try that with the finger picking. Ready? And go. Dancing bears, painted wings. Awesome. Alright. Line 2 is E minor, B minor, E minor, F sharp. Let's give it a shot. Ready? And go. Things I almost remember. The next line goes back to B minor, F sharp, B7, E. So same as before. Let's do it. And a song someone sings. And the last line goes back to E minor, B minor, E minor, F sharp. Once upon a December. Awesome, let's do the first verse all the way through. Let's actually start from the intro and go all the way through the first verse. So starting on B minor. Ready? And go. Dancing bears, painted wings, things I almost remember, and a song someone sings once upon a December. Sweet, it's chorus time. Now our chords are going to be in chunks of 2. So for example, on the first line, we just have E minor and B minor. Each one of those chords we're going to play twice. So here's what the first line sounds like. Someone holds me safe and warm. And since it's just 2 chords per line, let's actually go 2 lines at a time. So let's do all the way through A Silver Storm. That's E minor, B minor, F sharp, B minor. Someone holds me safe and warm. Horses prance through a silver storm. And for the next 2 lines, it's E minor, B minor, C sharp 7, F sharp. Be ready for that C sharp 7. It's like the only time that it happens in this song. Figures dancing gracefully across my memory. Now we're on to the second verse, which has the same chord progression as the first verse, just with different lyrics. So let's just go straight through that one. Far away, long ago, glowing dim as an ember, things my heart used to know once upon a December. Now we have a little musical interlude, which I'm going to shorten because I just want to sing. So we're just going to play this once. If you want it to be longer, you can play it twice. But that's boring to me, so we're not going to do that here. Alright, here's the chord progression for this. I think we could just do it. Let's just do it. Alright. Starting on B minor. Alright, chorus again. It's the same thing as before, so let's just go straight through it. Someone holds me safe and warm. Horses prance through a silver storm. Figures dancing gracefully across my memory. Okay, now we're on to the final verse. We're gonna go 2 lines at a time because it's mostly the same as before, but there's a couple little tweaks. So let's start with the first 2, which are totally normal. Far away, long ago, glowing dim as an ember. Alright, the next 2 lines are pretty much the same except for the end. So B minor, F sharp, B7E, totally normal. Then we have E minor, B minor, and then we go E minor, F sharp. So that's a little change there. And the vocal line is a little bit different, so just listen for that. Things my heart used to know, things it yearns to remember. For the last 2 lines, we're going to have B minor, F sharp, B7E. That's the same. And then after that line, we're actually going to do a little pause and slow down because it's the end of the song. It's got to be dramatic. It's always got to be dramatic, guys. And then we're going to go E minor, B minor, F sharp twice because we're holding out that last note and then ending on B minor. And I'm going to go and then one more strum at the end because it's final. That's done. That's it. Okay. And a song someone sings once upon a December. Awesome, that's all of it. So let's just go all the way through. Ready and go. Dancing bears, painted wings, things I almost remember, and a song someone sings once upon a December. Someone holds me safe and warm, horses prance through remember. Someone holds me safe and warm. Horses prance through a silver storm. Figures dancing gracefully across my memory. Far away, long ago, glowing dim as an ember, things my heart used to know, things it yearns to remember, and a song someone sings. Once upon a December. Ran out of breath at the end. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If it was, make sure you like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments down below what I should do next. I heard an ornament. One sec. There we go. Tell me in the comments what you want to see from me next. Monday. We're doing the first live stream. I'm gonna make a poll about what times are good for people. And then we're gonna practice the song together. And maybe we'll do a preview of whatever's coming next. Yeah, cool. Okay, see you there. Bye. Why are you crying, baby? You may think I have a cute dress on, but really, I'm wearing pants underneath. 'Cause it's fucking cold. My camera, my freaking thing hasn't been plugged in. My mic hasn't been plugged in. Oh my god.